I don't want to play anymore.
Oh, really? Oh, okay then. I guess I'll just...
Liddle, come back. Well, I suppose I'll do something with these micey GIBB-ON cards myself. I'm going to build a house of cards. This won't do. I need to be taller to get to the top. That's more like it. Whoa, whoa. This won't do at all. I have to get high enough to reach the top. If I could just doodle something that could raise me up, like... Oh, I know. Doodle-doodle-doo. Wait! Hang on! No! Go back! Grumph! Hooray! Little Birdie, you did it! Wow, you did it, Little Birdie! You completed our very own mighty GIBB-ON house!
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Fancy cards are nice, but they don't compare to my own mighty Birdie right here. This game was not as fun without you, buddy.
I'm glad I came back.